So today we're in Heron Preserve again, and I'm gonna show you one other house from I like. You understand? If you like it, just give us a thumbs up, and we can find a realtor phone. This one is the room, and you have a wet room. All right, so your shower is there, and the whole of this area is the wet room. Then you have the his and hers closet space, and of course you can modify it how you like. You have the water closet here, and yeah, I love this house. This is the house for somebody when I want the encumbrance.
See, this is a master.
You understand? And then you see, you go all the way to the whole, the master bedroom have access to the lanai outside. Yeah, nice man. Nice. Yeah, let me just quickly show you. And again, it's a whole lot of space, guys. Whole lot of space. This is the mud room area with a pantry there. This is the washroom area here, so yeah. And of course, this is the closet, the garage. Sorry, the garage, and you can put 3 cars. 3 cars can go in the garage. So guys, I love the one here. This is the one that I would buy, especially because we are almost empty nesters now. Joshua have him own a space and thing. So this is just when we entertain. Yardie Belly TV and them friends them and everybody come over and just chill. Yeah, formal sitting area, formal dining area, countertop there. So yeah, nice. All right. If you are interested in these homes, give me a call. We can hook on up with my realtor, and when you can get on yourself a nice house. Yeah, in a tradition. Yeah. I'm gonna show you more, but for now, this is what I'm showing. Big up on yourself, and remember, Yardie Belly TV. Yeah. Find a way for getting into the home of your dreams. Where's the babes? watch her. My girl, I take seat in a couch.
I was telling him I only don't see a wall for the TV.
You don't see a wall for the TV?
I don't need no TV in that bedroom, master.
Me need a TV. Me need a TV.